To make Samsung Galaxy A57 faster, first of all start by opening the settings, and let me show you multiple tips. Right now we are gonna start from the battery settings. Right now go for device care, open memory, and remember to close all of those apps that run in the background just by using this simple switcher. Wait for this cleaning process. As you can see, even the Google TV appears here, even though I'm not even using this one. And here, next you have to go for the RAM Plus to add additional 2 GB of the RAM. And to apply this change, you will have to click restart to simply restart your phone. Now, what is also really important, go for the auto optimization, and I can highly recommend you to turn it on when needed, so the smartphone will decide when to turn off and optimize storage, or you can reset on a schedule in the specific day and time. Also remember to clean your storage, because if you have a lot of files, it slows down your phone. So you can quickly delete large files. You can also remove all duplicated files, and you can also quickly empty the recycle bin, or for example, you can remove all unused apps from your phone. Another important tip, make sure that you are gonna update your software often. With the new updates, the phone will improve its stability and performance. Right now, let's speed up all of those animations. So we have to go for About Phone, open software information, and keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer options. So you have to input your password, go back, open the developer options, and now what you have to do is just to scroll down until we find animation scale, which is located here, and select 0.5, and now everything will just open and close much faster. We have to also go for the display settings, and we have to enable motion smoothness for adaptive, so sometimes the phone will force to run our phone screen in the 120 Hz. Also, we have to remember to turn off all of those features that you are not really using. Like for example, for me, Edge panel. In the connections, I can easily turn off in the more connection settings that printing, but also the nearby device scanning, because it keeps scanning in the background. So basically it's running some processes which actually slow down your phone. And it looks the same with the Bluetooth. Take a look, when the Bluetooth is enabled, it also keeps scanning all the time for nearby devices. So basically every feature there is turned on your phone takes some of your battery, RAM, and CPU, and basically slow down your phone. So if you turn off most of the features that you are not using, you will just speed up your phone. You have to also remember about applications. So as I said before, if you are not using some applications, you should actually remove them from your phone, because every application can connect into the mobile data in the background. It can also open in the background due to the battery restrictions. So just click to uninstall, remove it, and this is finished. Thank you so much for watching.